Draft a circular letter from Principal All Saints High School, Hyderabad, to all the old boys. The school has completed 100 years and will be celebrating its centenary. All old boys of the school available are requested to communicate their addresses to the correspondent of the school. They are also requested to send their liberal contributions for the construction of a centenary hall. Old Boys Day will form part of the centenary celebration. Suggestions are also welcome from the old boys for the successful celebration of the centenary. Lady Secretary required for regional manager of a leading American company in Hyderabad. Applicants must hold a degree and have at least 6 years experience in leading concern with ability to attend correspondence independently. Must also have a minimum shorthand speed of 120 words per minute and 50 words per minute in typewriting. A pleasant personality essential. Starting salary rupees 10,000 with fringe benefits. Apply immediately with details to box number 630, care of Indian Express, Hyderabad. Sealed tenders are invited on behalf of Telecom Department for supply and installation of air conditioning plant for telephone exchange building at Vijayawada. Earnest money rupees 30,000. Tender forms costing rupees 90 and non-refundable can be obtained from Executive Engineer, Telecom Department, Electrical Division, Hyderabad during office hours on any working day. Tenders should be sent before 3 p.m. 3rd September 1996. Tenders will be opened at 4 p.m. on the same day in the presence of tenderers. Right to reject any tender without assigning reason reserved. Draft tender notice for publication in newspapers. 6th Annual General Meeting of Venus Engineering Company, Nellore, to be held at its registered office at 30 Town Hall Road number on 9th June at 11 am. To consider and adopt Director's Report, audited balance sheet and profit and loss account for the previous year. To declare dividend and to elect directors in place of 3 retiring directors. To appoint auditors for the next year and fix their remuneration. Share transfer. Books to be kept closed for a period of 30 days. Member may appoint proxy to attend the meeting. Draft notice issued by Secretary enclosing Director's Report and balance sheet. On behalf of the Civil Welfare Association, Hyderabad, draft a letter to the editor of a daily newspaper explaining the conditions of your locality. The roads get flooded during the rainy season and there must be an open drain. Garbage must be cleaned from the vegetable market every day and not allowed to accumulate for days together. In certain crowded areas, the way traffic should be introduced to avoid accidents. The municipal playground should be repaired and made fit. All the members of the Civil Welfare Association are ready to extend cooperation and assistance in making every part of the city beautiful. Brave officers and jawans of the armed forces, I extend to all of you my hearty good wishes and congratulate you on the eve of the 48th Independence Day. It is my indelible belief that you are fully capable of defending the frontiers of our country. It is also my firm conviction that if and when we face any grave crisis, you will be ready to extend your assistance to us. Earlier, also on several occasions, you demonstrated your devotion to duty. You served the people with full commitment and devotion, and as a consequence, you earned the confidence and respect of the entire nation. From the earliest times, it has been our policy that India should have peaceful and friendly relations with all countries, especially our neighbors. We have always tried to remove mutual differences through discussion. We want that our talks with Pakistan under the Simla agreement should be meaningful and purposeful. Unfortunately, Pakistan is not acting according to it and is assisting the growth of extremism. I am grateful to the people of Jammu and Kashmir and to you that you have given a stunning blow to the efforts of extremism. The situation has improved, but not to the extent it should have been. Normalcy has not yet been restored. Pakistan thinks that it will be able to weaken our country by encouraging extremism and divert us from the path of improving the life of the people that we have chosen. We will, however, not allow this to happen. We have to resist resolutely these unholy intentions so that we can give concrete shape to our dreams for social justice and economic development. You have to be vigilant about these forces. You have always defeated the attempts made from across the border to harm us. You have always given proof of your patriotism and devotion to duty even in the midst of difficulties. What is even more heartening is that you have given India a high place of honor by your excellent work in foreign lands. You have won the hearts of the people there. Last year, contingents of our armed forces were included in the United Nations Peace Mission. You earned their praise and goods which you discharge of duty and courage. You were commended throughout the world. Although your main responsibility lies in the defense of the frontier of the country, you never lagged behind whenever you were called upon to render assistance to the civil administration. Whether it was the destructive earthquake in Maharashtra or the bomb blasts in Bombay, you always participated in the work with great fervor in sharing the woes of the people. Recently, you helped in providing relief to the flood affected people in some parts of the country. This important contribution of the soldiers is proof of the fact that in helping the people facing difficulties, you did not hesitate to place yourself in danger. Truly, you are our defenders. The government understands very well your grave responsibility. For that reason, constant efforts are being made to improve the supply of the required weapons and other equipment. Because your service situations are difficult, the government is conscious of the need for improvement in your service conditions and is making efforts in that direction. We are making all possible efforts to modernize your arms and equipment so that you can scale the heights of success. The army is being equipped with good rifles. Tanks and aircraft are being improved. Many electronic instruments and other things are being incorporated into the army. These programs are being continuously operated.